Hey guys, I haven't posted in a while, and visiting my sister in London, UK, and surrounded by the enemy everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You can't escape it. Unavoidable. They are everywhere, you know. But not the main reason I haven't posted since I got here. The weather is not the greatest because it's like wet and gloomy outside, depressing, and also trying to keep my mouth shut, keep my nose clean, I guess, and keep you know, things that is happening to me in silence. Basically, I'm doing it for God. I'm not doing it for anybody else. Okay? So that's the main reason why I have not posted. Because, I was told to stay silent, Anyhow, and not to react to abuse, to any abuse that I've been getting, not to react to it. And it's been hard because I'm a very vocal person. So for me to stay silent is uneasy, It's not really set well with me, because it goes against my nature. It's not who I am. Yeah. So doing it for God. So that's the main reason. So that's why have not posted. Okay. Anyhow, I hope everyone is good, and the suffering you are going through is not forever. Judgment is very close, guys. And if you just take a moment, look around, you'll see judgment manifesting. Judgment is coming. So just remember that it's not forever. For me to stay silent, it's not going to be forever. You know what I mean? You're gonna be a moment where I can express myself the way God created me. And I was thinking about the other day about who I resemble, who I really resemble of God's creation. I have to say the sun, the actual sun. The sun, not the moon, but the sun is more of a sun. And Lilith, I was watching a show today about Lilith or Lilith. I resemble a lot of Lilith, So Lilith and the sun. So those are the two creation of God that I resemble. I think embodiment, and I feel like we were very close, in a lot of aspects. Okay? So anyhow, guys, this is what's going on with me, and I'm gonna still, create prayers for you guys, remixes and stuff and post. But I'm gonna try to not to post anything where I'm expressing what's going on and stuff, and you know what's going on, guys. Okay? I've been talking about it for a long time. But remember, the enemy will not win. God always wins. God's kingdom will reign forever and ever. And also God's kingdom will never be destroyed or abolished. It's going to reign forever. Okay? And nobody is going to overtake God's kingdom. It's going to be like, you cannot be destroyed. Nobody can, triumph over God. This is not going to happen. Just remember that. So do not pay attention to the enemy. They can giggle and laugh about it. They know they are in a losing game. Just remember that. Okay? So anyhow, that's all. I guess judgment is going to manifest. You're going to find out, guys. Okay? All right. Take care. Be strong.